Hello from Fanta Beach. This short video and update to one of my previous videos about Raiden power supply. Be sure to check link in below in description about how I did and what I did with this power supply. Here it is about application from Google Play, which is version 3.0.2, which should work over Wi-Fi with this power supply. What you see now on the screen is how I'm working with application and setting some voltage or current from mobile phone to the Riden. But key of this video is application 3.0.2, which is only available on Google Play, will not work with this power supply, will not connect, and in most cases will not detect SSD ID from your Wi-Fi and will not be able to update your Raiden supply with Wi-Fi informations. At link above this video you will find a link to the version 2.0.2, which working for me in any case, any Android phone, any version from 9 to 12. I tried all versions with 4 different phones and in every case it was working. So 2.0.2 is most stable. Get it from link below. Thank you for watching this and see you very soon with my next video, even maybe tomorrow. Bye bye.